First, you will need to power up your tester. Connect the power import plug into its socket, then power up your tester. From the back of this tester, you can see we have many connectors and many possibilities how to connect our DUT. We can, for example, use clamps, we can use socket, we can use PE probes, and so on. I will now show you which connectors are for what. The first two, red high voltage and black return, are always for high voltage and insulation test. And because we are using for ground bond test for a wire measurement, we always need 4 cables. The first two are sense minus and return. The second two are current and sense plus. The sense minus and return will be always connected. But for current and sense plus, we can choose if we want to use cables with crocodiles or we can use PE probe. For today, I will be using PE probe with socket for high voltage and insulation. And because the tester is safety current limited, as you can see on the datasheet here, no other safety equipment is required. After that, I will connect our DUT into the socket, which will be this light. From the main screen, we will go to menu. Here is the list of the things that tester can do. First one is editor, and we can create or choose existing test programs. The next one is single test, such as protective wire test, insulation test, high voltage test, or input-output test. The next one is operation mode, where we can set up our remote control options. Next one is password for the tester, and then settings. Here, for example, you can choose from multiple languages. Now we can create a whole test program and make a test. From the main screen, we will go to menu, press editor again, and here I already prepared a test program for you, so let's take a look. The first test will be protective earth test. Here you will set up the test time, minimum current, and minimum and maximum resistance. The next step is insulation test. Here we will set up a test time, voltage, and minimum resistance. And as the last one is the high voltage test, where we also set up a test time, voltage, AC or DC, and minimum and maximum current. From here we can go to menu and start a test. As the first one will be PE test, which will use our PE probe for testing. The next one is insulation test. And the last one is high voltage test. If everything is okay, the green light pops up and you can see results of each test. The results you can save on the internal flash memory or on the USB. If you want to see more of our products, make sure to visit our website at spselectronic.com. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.